Yo guys, this is an update from the trade for the trade. Currently up 2k. Reason being I was short in the 1.618 level here. Also running into that golden zone which we SFP'd. Also there was an imbalance here. See, which was from when we ducked down. Either way we tapped into it perfectly. Higher time frame imbalance. Yeah, see here. These candles got above, and then as soon as we broke below, that caused the imbalance, which we had to tap into, which we just did. So my TP is, well, I'm not too sure as of now, but if this is an A, B, C, or even a 1, 2, I can hold this for quite a while. We'll see what happens, guys. See what happens. Let's do imbalance to imbalance. Imbalance to imbalance. So I entered my trade on the imbalance here. You can see we kind of got an imbalance here, I guess you could call it. I'm not too sure, not really. So just targeting the imbalance, I guess. Add some confidence to that. We got fib levels 618 at the imbalance. So yeah, let's see if that can get filled, and we'll see what happens in the morning. Well, people, you can clearly see here on my screen that NQ treated me well today. Up 4.8k on one trade. My TP levels were literally right here. I was shorting there, TP levels were there. And imagine if I had held. That's an imbalance in itself, isn't it? Damn, boy. 0.88 as well. I wonder what the fuck that would have got me. But all in all, pretty decent trade on NQ. So yeah, it's time to journal this shit.